Hello guys, today make a detailed video to teach you how to make ILS autoland approaches in the Boeing 737 NG. I will make a small flight plan and enter a few weight into the FMS. I will speed up this, but if you want to see how to enter a flight plan into the FMS, you can check my video about how to set up the 737 NG FMS. Now time for takeoff. Gear up! Autopilot 2 on. I will let the aircraft go up a little bit, and after I will configure the ILS with you. Now, I will open the VFR map integrated with Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020. Scroll down and find the ILS references. We are going to the 04 left runway, so the course is 42, so I will enter this to both sides of the autopilot panel. One for the pilot and one for the co-pilot. Now that we have entered the course, we will enter the ILS antenna frequency for both pilots. Now we are set up for approach. We will just put auto brake to the previously calculated position. I will speed up the video to the final turn. Now we are starting the turn, so I can arm my speed brakes, verify that auto brake is armed, and start lowering the flaps. Now that we are on final, I can arm the approach mod so the plane will capture the ILS signal. I can now turn on the second autopilot for the autoland to take place. If you were doing a manual landing, you would disconnect the autopilot now. Flare.
300. 200. 100. 50. 30. 20. 10.